హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు 70 సో ఈరోజు మనతో పాటు కృషిక ఉన్నారు. సో ఫస్ట్ టాలీవుడ్లో ఒక మూవీతో ఎంట్రీ ఇవ్వబోతున్నారు ఆర్టిస్ట్ అని. సో ఆ సైకో థ్రిల్లర్గా అయితే రాబోతుంది. సో కృషిక రోల్ ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది, అసలు ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్కి ఎలా ఓకే చెప్పింది, ఇవన్నీ అడిగి తెలుసుకున్నాం. హాయ్ కృషిక.
Hi,
తెలుగు వస్తుందా?
not much.
అర్థమవుతుందా?
I understand little bit, but I can't speak.
No worries. When coming to this movie, what is your first opinion about the movie? Because it is a psycho thriller, no? So, don't almost no one can accept for thrillers. Yeah. Can you explain about
Especially
that?
for the first, yeah. So yeah, like you said, it's a risky thing for me because it is my first film and it's mostly about the hero's character is more established and everything. But I don't know, I just like the character. When he told me about Janu, and I was like, oh, she's girl next door and she's just like me. So I thought, let's give it a try. And though it's my first film, so yeah, I think I made a right decision. So
And when coming to the trailer, one dialogue you said is very awesome. Even you don't know the Telugu language, so you perfectly match that lip sync and the dialogue. So how can you manage about that? Because there is no language barrier anywhere. So how can you manage?
yeah, to be very honest, it was difficult initially, but with my director's help, and he wanted me. I actually requested him, can you please let me speak in Hindi. So he was like, no, you have to, because it's for lip syncing and all. So yeah, I just ratify, and I hope people like it. So I said,
He can explain one scene about any emotion thing and any love scene or any horror scene or thriller scene. So how can you grab that and how can you perform? Like what type of initial measurements or initial precautions you have taken for this?
okay. So as far as preparation concerns, I think, like Santosh also said, I leave completely on director because I feel like it's his baby. He knows what he wants from us. So I did not prepare much, and he said that I don't want you to even prepare. You just come on set and do what I want you to do. But yeah, like there are scenes where there's scary scenes and there's too much violence and all of that. So yeah, it was a bit I would say I got scared initially that whether I'll be able to perform or not. But yeah, with the help of director, I think it was easy for me.
When anyone says you like you are looking like Ashu Reddy in
Yeah,
Tollywood,
now mujhe abhi so many people are calling me. So many people are calling me, like somebody's calling me Samantha, somebody's calling me Ashu Reddy, and back in Mumbai somebody's calling me something. So I'm Krishika, I think. So it's fine, yeah. And so far they're comparing me with good people. So it's fine. They all
did
are
you?
established actresses, no? So it's fine.
Yeah, so nice of you. And did you remember any one dialogue from this movie?
Uh, no, actually, yeah. We shot in like long back. So I don't think so. I remember anything.
When coming to the Tollywood, did you see any Telugu movies or do you have any crush about the actors in Telugu?
So I used to have, I still have, I think, Surya sir. I love him. He's like, I love his eyes, and he's so good. And of course, Alu Arjun. So yeah, I have crush on both of them. Still, I have. I know they are married and they are, but yeah, crush is crush.
Did you watch any movies of?
Yeah, of course. Surya sir, I watched in Hindi dubbed, so I don't remember the name, but Alu sir, of course, Pushpa 2 abhi recently I watched. So yeah, he's a terrified actor. Arya. There are so many films I watched.
Taggedele dialogue from your side.
Jhukega nahi sala.
Okay, so cute. And this is your first film actually in the Tollywood. And to the audience, if you make any wish or any one thing to tell, so what you will tell to the audience, to especially to the Telugu audience.
Telugu audience ko I would like to say is that I know I can't speak Telugu, so please bear with me, but I will definitely learn because I love Telugu cinema. Like I said, I love films and all the actors here, actresses, of course. So I just want to say this is our first film. Please give us love so that I can get more work here and I can perform in further films. So yeah, please give me your blessings. Thank you.
I can prompt the one line in Telugu.
Yeah,
You
please
can
say.
try, okay?
Yeah.
Ma cinema
Mass cinema
artist
ఆర్టిస్ట్
మార్చ్ 21న
మార్చ్ 21st నా
మీ ముందుకు
మీ ముందుకు
వస్తుంది.
వస్తుంది.
కాబట్టి థియేటర్స్ కి వెళ్ళి
థియేటర్స్ కి వెళ్ళి
సినిమాని
సినిమాని చూడండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. యా, సో చూసారు కదా, క్రిషిక ఆర్టిస్ట్ మూవీలో ఒక మెయిన్ లీడ్ గా కనిపించబోతుంది. అండ్ లవ్, ఎమోషన్ అండ్ థ్రిల్లింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ తో ఖచ్చితంగా డిఫరెంట్ స్క్రీన్ ప్లే తో ఈ సినిమా ఉండబోతుంది. మార్చ్ 21st థియేటర్స్ లోకి రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. మీరు కూడా థియేటర్స్ కి వెళ్ళి ఈ సినిమాని చూసేసేయండి. వీడియో జర్నలిస్ట్ రాజుతో రాణి, తెలుగు 71 హైదరాబాద్.